make it when the invitation came out. I had a previous commitment here, but I'm thrilled to be participating remotely. A special thank you to Michelle and to Rick, and also my dear friend Jim Vilwalk. Jim, I heard your presentation, and glad to be participating in this session with you as well. Acquired Insights, we work in the artificial intelligence and machine learning space. We do a lot of work in the fintech, banking, commercial, retail, as well as insurance companies. And we've also moved into healthcare and telecom. Probably of interest to the group is that we have signed a multi-year collaborative agreement with Hanson Robotics. And David and my partner and co-founder, Tracy Fever, I think Tracy's on the line as well, we have an arrangement with Hanson Robotics where what we'll be doing is taking the next iteration of Sophia. Currently, the version of the robot that you see when she's on the TV and so on, that's version number 9. Version 10 will be coming off the production line March 31st of 2019. There'll only be a limited production of about 100 robots. You have to appreciate they're extremely costly to engineer and to manufacture. And there really isn't a facility that can manufacture thousands of these robots at this time. So the next production run will be 100. We will be getting one of those robots and taking Sophia to an undisclosed location where we'll be embedding our artificial intelligence and machine learning to service 2 industries primarily, at least initially. One is financial services and the other is in healthcare. We believe, along with David Hanson, that the opportunity to use humanoid robots in healthcare is unprecedented. We see some tremendous opportunities, but we also see some challenges. Humanoid robots can be used to do a variety of things that avatars and digital robots are simply unable to do. And that's primarily because the humanoid robots have appendages. They have arms and legs. They can work in a healthcare setting, initially as a companion to elders and to perhaps autistic children or children in hospital ward. But we see a very bright future for Sophia in transitioning from an attendant or a companion in a constant care situation to making her equivalent to a registered nurse's aide, and then shortly after that, transitioning her to a registered nurse, and then probably a year after that to be a physician, and a year after that to be a surgeon. And we've been cooperating and partnering with a variety of different companies where we can take a look at micro-miniature robotics and use them for microsurgeries. So while all of that's very interesting and fun and fantastic, there has to be an acknowledgement of the role of OCM in transitioning workforces, initially not to have their jobs replaced by robots, but what would it be like to work alongside a robot? What does that impact have to your job? How does it affect how you do your job and what roles and tasks your job is responsible for? So working side by side with Michelle and the team at M3 gives us the opportunity to not only allow us to focus on the technology side of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and humanoid robots, it allows us to have confidence that as we take a look at how roles will be impacted, how we will need to communicate in the design, development, implementation, and post-implementation support of solutions, even as those solutions are changing from year to year. It's no secret that without a high-quality OCM partner, you'll never have the success that you need. So yes, we're still working out a few of the details with respect to our arrangement, but the future does look very bright. And without OCM, I think we've seen over the years that organizations that don't include either OCM or enough OCM, because organizations have different needs at different times, often their projects are not only less than successful, quite often they become abject failures. And organizations and leadership want partners that they have confidence in, not only for business continuity, but to scale revenues, to build growth, to retain employees, customers, to engage in customer satisfaction scores that show an increase over time. And all of this must be done in a way that services shareholders as well. So the need for being able to build constant shareholder value is directly tied to the quality of the work that the team does, which also includes OCM. Tracy, I think you're on the line. Did you have anything you wanted to add?
No, I just that we do have over 100 models in the model library, Gary, and I think it's important that everyone understands, yes, we will be putting these into Sophia, but even right now, they're integrated into business. So whatever your business is, there are ways that we can integrate the behavioral data warehouse. So capturing that behavioral data, the social data, going out to the internet and bringing information into your company, and the design engine, decision engine, and the dynamic customer journey. So with over 100 models in the library, yes, they will be put into Sophia, the ones that are applicable for those industries, but I think it's important to realize that in many industries we're doing work. It's not just with Sophia the robot.